Thank you for joining this session. I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to create a viral movie that you can upload to TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, depending on the social platform you are using. Actually, this is a very simple process and you don't even need to pay any money to actually create your sample video. First, go to fal.ai and create an account. You can follow along as I create the account here. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my existing Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one. Select for myself, then select create with UI tools. After that, click continue. Select social media, click continue. This is the home page of fal.ai. Now let's create Weavy.ai account. Log in with your Google account here as well. This is Weavy.ai homepage. Close these pop-ups. Now go back to fal.ai. Click the Explore tab, then search for the word Grok in the Search by Model, Task Category and More field. Look for the model that has a new label on it. Click on it. Copy the URL of this model and save it somewhere safe because we're going to need it later. Go back to Weavy.ai. Click Create New File. Click Skip for now on the pop-up. Right-click on the canvas and select Import Model. Now copy the URL that you saved and paste it into the field here. Our model has been set up now. Now right-click and select Prompt. We will be using ChatGPT to create our prompt. As you can see on the screen, the prompt, for this case, in this case that I type here is generate a prompt to be used to create viral video for YouTube for children. Something educational, using original cartoon animal character, yet fun and colorful. I like this to be broken down into scenes. 10 scenes are fine. It gives it a title, style, main character. It describes each character, the video style. Then it starts by showing you what happens in each scene, from scene 1 all the way to scene 10. For the purpose of our first prompt, I'm going to copy the first section along with the content of scene 1. That is what I'm going to use for our prompt in this case. Now that the prompt is set up, it's time to link the prompt with the model. Now it's time to create image that will set the tone for our video. For this, I use Google Gemini. If you use a very good prompt, you should be able to get a very beautiful image that you can use for your video. Download the image, to where you can easily locate it, because we're going to be using it shortly. To attach the image to the model, right-click on the canvas, select Import. You can drag and drop the image, or you can upload the image here. Now that the image is uploaded, it's time to link the model with the image. For us to be able to export the image, we need to add export by right-clicking on the canvas and selecting export. Connect the export to the model. To run the model, click the Run Model button. It will take few seconds for it to run. As you can see, our video is ready. We can play it on the screen here, or we can download it and use it however we wish to use it. Something to note, you can use the task panel on the right to change the duration of the movie that you want to create. Usually you want it to be very short so that you can create scene by scene and later join it together. That way it's very easy to create the video. The only thing you need to do is just change the prompt. In our case, you always copy the top section with the scene that you want to create. In our first case, we clicked the first section as well as scene 1. The next time we're going to do this, we're going to copy the top section with scene 2. That way it knows the character and the character stays consistent throughout the video. To export the video, click the export button and select where you want the video to be exported. This brings us to the end of this video. Please comment, like, and share.